Yamaha delivers big power in the all-new EF2200iS compact inverter generator, now equipped with a carbon monoxide sensor. New LED indicator lights notify the user of carbon monoxide emission levels or system malfunctions. When the sensor detects elevated levels of carbon monoxide, the generator will automatically shut off for approximately 5 minutes, warning the user to move to a well-ventilated space. The EF2200iS delivers 2,200 watts of power to meet the demands of today's outdoors enthusiast. Built with Yamaha premium inverter technology, delivering clean power for sensitive electronics. Yamaha's high-output MZ80 OHV air-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke engine delivers a maximum of 2,200 watts of AC power at 18.3 amps and 120 volts. For additional power, Yamaha's twin-tech parallel function allows 2 units to connect for a combined power output of 3,600 watts or 30 amps at 120 volts. The EF2200iS is also built for efficient and quiet operation with noise levels of 57 to 65 dBA. Designed for outdoor enthusiast usage for camping and other outdoor activities, portable emergency backup power, and as a power source on many DIY home projects. Reliable and efficient power with enhanced protection. Yamaha's EF2200 inverter generator.